Here we are at the stream that flows out of Los Alamos, the mountain range around Los Alamos, which is the Jemez Mountains. And we are very, very happy to come across a beaver dam. Look at that. That's simply amazing. And you can really see how at one point, well, there's beavers living along here, and they tend to make their dams in different places over the years. And in this case, this is an old beaver dam that slowly but surely filled in with sediment over the years, and eventually it backed up the stream, and now you've got the stream actually flowing over a I guess you'd call it a pool of sediment, and rippling over the old beaver dam, which will slowly decompose, and eventually the stream will even out again. But the interesting thing about this is, just can imagine how effective this beaver dam has been at preventing erosion. And if you look around, you can see a rich growth of riparian species. You've got willows in the background, you've got elm trees, there's cottonwoods, ash, and sycamore along the stream. So if the beavers have been doing this for centuries or millennia, they've really done a fabulous job of maintaining the watershed here. And lots of riparian mammals, birds, frogs, fish, aquatic fish, live in this area, and it's really very uplifting to see that the beavers have just done such an amazing job of maintaining the integrity of the watershed, reducing erosion, and reducing the gully cutting. Despite this dam here, you can see there's a bit of gully cutting, which is probably a fairly new phenomenon, which is as a result of this dam actually being full of sediment. So it's not quite having, the impact on reducing the stream flow and the the flooding that the strong currents that it once had. And so anyway, that's kind of it. I thought that my daughter's dog had disturbed a snake for a second, but I guess it's something he disturbed. Maybe it's just a branch. Okay, we're gonna try to find our way back now. Should be pretty easy. We just have to follow the stream downhill here and kind of fight our way through the brush a little bit. Signing out from Canones Creek in central New Mexico.